Assalamu alaikum. Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. 5 courses to understand Al-Quran the easy way. You want to understand the Quran? Then start with Salah. You know every word of it already, so why not start with it? You repeat it every day. You can practice talking in Arabic every day, that too with Allah. If you learn the meaning of every word from a typical Salah, like from surahs like Al-Fatiha, Al-Asr and so on, and parts of Salah, along with extremely simple grammar using TPI, then you learn 230 words that occur in the Quran almost 40,000 times, or 50% of Quranic words. That's our course 1. Before we continue, please note that a juz or a para has 20 pages in a 15-line mushaf. In course 2, we start the Quran with juz 1. In Quran part, you study 5 pages, first 5 pages, and you will know 80% of Quranic words when you continue from there. In grammar, 3-letter weak verbs that occur almost in every line of the Quran using TPI and spoken Arabic. In course 3, you will study next 5 pages. And in grammar, mazid fi verbs that occur in almost every line of the Quran. In course 4, next 5 pages, and you will know more than 90% of Quranic words. And in grammar, you will learn additional surf and a part of basic Nahv. In course 5, you will study the last 5 pages of Juz 1, and in grammar, you will learn basic Nahv using TPI and spoken Arabic. In just 5 courses of 12 hours each, you will learn Salah and its message, 1 Juz of the Quran, more than 90% of the vocabulary, essential grammar, and almost 1,000 sentences on spoken Arabic. An amazing package that will change the way you pray or you recite the Quran, and therefore, inshallah, your position in the everlasting hereafter. Don't miss the investment of a lifetime, because the Prophet ﷺ said, the best of you is the one who learns the Quran and teaches it. Visit our website understandquran.com to watch the videos and download the books and PPTs. Download the app Learn Quran from Understand Quran Academy. And on YouTube, you can visit to see the videos. youtube.com/user/understandquran. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum.